You don't need to spend thousands on AI tools. I tested the best free alternatives that rival premium platforms, and the results might surprise you. Free AI tools let you test before buying. Many creators and freelancers start free, then upgrade only when they hit limitations. We're testing ChatGPT free, Claude free, Canva AI, and others. The question isn't free versus paid, it's which tool solves your specific problem without breaking your budget. ChatGPT free handles writing and brainstorming instantly. Claude free excels at coding and analysis. Canva AI generates designs without subscriptions. Perplexity free provides research with citations. Runway free offers video editing with AI effects. Each has real limitations, but they're powerful for creators starting their AI journey without financial risk. Pay when you need unlimited credits, faster processing, or advanced features. Midjourney costs $10 a month, but beats free image generators dramatically. ChatGPT plus Tunti unlocks GPT-4 and voice features. Adobe's AI tools integrate seamlessly into existing workflows. Paid isn't always better, it's better when aligned with your specific workflow demands. Start free. Test every platform for 2 weeks. Track which tools you actually use daily. Then upgrade only those. Most creators need just 2 or 3 paid subscriptions maximum. Avoid subscription bloat. Strategic spending beats premium everything. Your ROI matters more than having every feature. Drop a comment which free AI tools save you money with how to subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews that help creators stay ahead and help the creators.